I'm not sure if you can see that. You see that? This one, how long it is? I mean, look. This is my before, and this is my after. So today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this, using that minoxidil mousse. So backstory. A couple of years ago I went to my dermatologist and I asked her, how can I get more fuller eyebrows? And she said, you have two choices. You can do a hair transplant, or you can apply a solution. So she talked about a solution that was at the time only used for lashes, and I think it's still used only for lashes, and this is Lattice. This is a solution that was, they discovered that people that had glaucoma, after putting their medication on their eyes, they would grow longer lashes. They commercialized this solution as Lattice, and I think it's the people that make Botox and Juvederm, they do, that's the same company. So they commercialized it. You understood. They started to sell that for lashes. So she said, you can get that, but mind you, it is very expensive. It's $140, so it's not cheap, for 3 months. It worked perfectly. I used it for 3 months, very happy. I came back to see my doctor, and I said, it's too expensive for me. So she said, you should use Rogaine. And I said, okay, so I'm gonna give it a try. What I do, because I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. I take a little bit of this, like that, boom. I take a brush, like so, and then I put it on my brows, like that. I do it day and night, so in the morning. It dries very fast. What I noticed is that I also grow longer lashes. You can see my lashes, very long. So if you don't want to grow your lashes, I mean, most likely if you put some solution right there, when you go to sleep, this is going to rub on your pillow, and then this is going to rub on your eyes, and your lashes are going to grow longer. So might be good or not. So I have been using this for about 3 years now. What I would recommend though is that you do an allergy test on yourself. So you take a little bit like this and you try to put it on your skin. Hopefully it won't do anything, but it's possible that you will get an allergic reaction to it. Who knows? You know, you have to try. And also what I would do is that I would go to my to your dermatologist. I mean, you would go to your dermatologist and ask if they would recommend it, because my dermatologist said this is not made for that, it's made for the head, the hair on your head. And also some people use it on their beard. I never use it on my beard, although I should, because I have some patches. What else? So that's it, you know. You should do it. It's always better to have more eyebrows. Expression wise, it's better, I think. I didn't have a lot of eyebrows before. You can see I basically didn't have any eyebrows in this area, so now it's much better. When I'm hungry, you can see it's better. So if you like the video, like the video. If you don't like the video, if you would like to subscribe, welcome, and I see you very soon for another video. Bye!